Okay, today we're going to be looking at perimeter, and perimeter is just the total amount or distance around the outside of an object or shape. So when we're looking at our questions, we see that we're given general information, not all the information, in order to solve it because we know what some of these shapes are. So if we look at our first one, A, we're going to find the perimeter of the following shapes. We know this is a rectangle. We know that that means that these particular shapes will share the same opposite sides. So that's 6 meters, and this here will be 12 meters. So the perimeter in total will be equal to 12 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6. All right. So 3 groups of 12 is just going to be 36 meters. So if we had to go all the way around the outside of this shape, it would be 36 meters in distance. Now, if we look at B, we need to see this particular little shape here. Now, these lines mean that these are the same size, so we can also write in that this is 5 millimeters as well. Now we can write a little equation for our perimeter. So our perimeter is going to be equal to 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6. So our perimeter is going to be equal to 26 millimeters. Alright. Here's another rectangle. So again, we've got our millimeters here and here. These must be the same size. So this is going to be 6, and this one here is going to be equal to 15. Alright, so for C, our perimeter is going to be equal to 15 plus 15 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, so this is 30, add on 12, and we get 42 millimeters. And finally, for D, what we have here is these two sides are equal, so it is an isosceles triangle. So we can also write 2.5 here, and so our perimeter is going to be equal to 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2. So 2.5 and 2.5 are 5, add on the 2, and we get 7 centimeters. Now, the difficulty with these questions is often just finding the little piece of information that they don't give you. Alright, here's a few for you to practice, so just give the video a pause, give them a go, and then I'll solve them. Alright, let's get started. So our first one, E, is a square, and a square has all equal sides, so we can actually write 8 centimeters for each of them. That means our perimeter is going to be equal to 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, and so 8 times 4 is just going to be equal to 32 centimeters. If we look at F, we have our rectangle, so our opposite pairs are going to be equal to each other. So we can write our perimeter is going to be equal to 20 plus 20 plus 6 plus 6. And that just equals 40 plus 12, which is going to be equal to 52 meters. Now here we have a pentagon, and we have all equal sides, so every single one of these is going to be equal to 5. So our perimeter for G is going to be equal to 5 groups of 5, or 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is just going to be equal to 25 centimeters. For H, we have 2 equal sides here, so we can write in that missing information, and then we can add up all the remaining sides to get the perimeter. So our perimeter is going to be equal to 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7. So our 3 plus 3 is going to be 6, add our two 6's together we get 12, add our 8 we get 20, and add our 7 we get 27 centimeters. It's important to, often when you're doing these, leave the units out until the very end, That way you don't make any mistakes with your handwriting and think that maybe one number is something else. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.